starting a new fab, something completely new from a new construction fab, as well as starting a new technology. Each one of them can be very exciting. Here on this project, Project Eagle and Fab 52, we had the pleasure of having both together. So we started here from a just stretch of wide stretch of dirt at the back of this campus, which became into a fab. And we quickly had to also install tools and get ready to start production wafers of Panther Lake. In this regard, the environment obviously is very challenging, and we had to rise to the occasion and making sure that we do everything, focusing on everything that need to be delivered, and we were able to deliver everything on time. Despite the tight budget, the very lean team, and also fierce competition on talent here in this area. So in general, it's a big scope that was done by many people, different disciplines, and the team came together, worked together in order to really deliver on time to what the business need, what Intel Foundry need, what Intel Corporation needs. So in this regard, it's very exciting to see how we were able to, despite all the challenges, to come together and to deliver to the company whatever it needs on time. Yes, so the focusing on quality, velocity, predictability, affordability, these are all elements that are critical for being successful in the foundry business. Neither one of them is new to us. We worked on each one of them for years before, but the big change is that we really needed to hone in and improve some of our practices and methodologies in order to do better and make sure that we are measuring ourselves well. So if we measure, we can manage and we can improve, and to get better and better. And we also understand that if we want to compete in this industry, we need to meet or exceed whatever the rest of the industry is doing, and that's what we're doing. So I've been in Intel for almost 30 years, 29 years to be exact, and I have to say that I joined Intel pretty much a day after I graduated from grad school, and it clicked for me immediately. I like the culture, I like the people I work with. I felt like Intel allowed me to develop personally and professionally. I did change my roles many times. I changed locations many times. I worked in different sites. So I had something in me that always pushed me to go to try some uncharted territories, and no one stopped me. It allowed me to actually push myself into some uncomfortable zones, and it kept satisfying my curiosity, and I had the opportunity to learn and to also contribute. In terms of what we are doing here and what continue to excite me, so it's definitely the team that we have here. I'm very impressed by everything that we achieved so far on this site with 18A and bringing Panther Lake production into life. We did it on time, and starting from early learning material into risk production, everything was just meticulously being executed. And so it tells a lot about the team and about the passion of a team, about the motivation, knowledge, experience, expertise, those kind of things. Those are qualities that are not easy to find, and we have them here on site. So I feel like with this type of talent, knowledge, connection to cause and purpose, we can do a lot more. Now we have the production running here of Panther Lake. This will go to customers soon, and I'm looking forward to hear the excitement of customers about Panther Lake and about the future 18A products as well, and that will hopefully increase the demand for 18A product, and by doing this it will fill the fab and the rest will be on us. It will put us a lot of pressure on us, but pressure is a privilege, and we accept it gladly.